Now, let's carefully explore how to add AI text in CapCut on your phone, step by step, for better understanding. First, you enter CapCut, and as you can see here, the next step is to add your video for editing and creativity enhancements. Now, you carefully tap here to add any video of your choice for editing. Next, you will add your desired text. To do this, carefully tap on the text option located right here. This step is crucial for enhancing your video content. Next, you carefully tap on Add Text. What is the following step you will take next? We need some AI text. So what do we do next? Let's go ahead and type in AI. Perhaps we can brainstorm for a moment, thinking of a specific text or phrase that fits our needs. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. A simple, clear message will do just fine as we work on enhancing our project. We need some text for our project. Let's just type in a simple phrase like text. After that, we hit OK to proceed. But where can we find it? Now let's carefully check the options available to ensure we can locate our created text efficiently. Now let's add the AI text right over there. For instance, we just wrote it. So what will we do next? Let's go ahead and explore. Now let's move to the templates section. Here you need to click to search for text. Simply type in AI text. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the search button. You will see a list of options that match your query. Explore the results to find the AI text you want to add to your project, as you can see here. Yes, you will find a vast array of fantastic AI texts here. Now, take your time to search and choose the text that suits your taste perfectly. Choose the text you like best, for example, this one right here. Now let's go ahead and add it to the project. So, this is how it looks overall, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching. Wishing you all good luck, and see you next time. Goodbye.